Hello, this is my screen Customatic exploring the resources on the TPA or Teacher Practice area. So I go to the Teacher Practice area. Of course, I will turn the editing on. I am in topic 15, even though I found that I made two videos in 1 and 15, I'm not sure, but 15, I'm sure about 15. So I go to add activity or resource. Here I'm going to add the resource. I go down to find them. Here they are. So there are many resources. A table file. I don't know what it is about, but I think it is PDF. You can add a book, a file, a folder. If you have many files to put in, a label. You can also add a gallery or a page, a poster or a URL, a web address. So here I'm going to add a poster. So as a resource, and we'll see where am I going to find this poster. A poster, let's say, about pollution. Description, the effects of pollution on Mother Earth. Display a description of the course. Yes. Normally restrict access. I will not restrict access. Activity completion. When conditions are met, student must view this activity to complete it. In fact, there is no question, really. And then I save and display, but I didn't add any poster. So where is the poster going to be added? So